what's your favorite thing?
Oh, my favorite thing? I'll show you. My favorite thing is leather. It's perfect for my family and it fits our needs for our home. It's extremely durable, easy to maintain, and will withstand the needs of your home, whether you have young kids, animals, or do a lot of entertaining. Kids make a mess, don't we, girls? Leather makes it easy to clean and keep everything looking tidy. Whether it's crayons or apple juice, all you need is a lightly damp cloth to keep this thing looking brand new. With leather, you can dress it up or dress it down. It can be casual or formal. You can add pillows, a little bit of your personal style, make it however you want. At Turner's Fine Furniture, we carry a variety of colors and styles of leather furniture. And if you don't see what you like, you can customize it. Leather's perfect for our family.